On a vehicle powertrain, there is a system that has a crucial role, especially to get vehicle move smoothly when it turn. This device located on the wheel drive axle. This device, called differential. As you see on this FR vehicle, wheel drive axle located on the rear. Center of the axle, the differential installed. This device function to different the rotation between left and right wheel. As we know, when the vehicle turn, both left and right wheel will travel different radius. Inner wheel will travel shorter than the outside wheel. This is the job of differential. So how it works? This animation will explain in detail. First, understand this principle. This axle connected left and right wheel. So the rotation is always connected. But when we separate the axle, then we add two separate gear. It will separate the rotation. But in this mechanism, we need drive each gear to make left and right gear rotate. How to make it controlled by a single motion? We need additional gear. Pinion gear will connect left and right gear. And main gear will rotate the pinion gear. So that if we rotate main gear, it will rotate both left and right wheel in same speed. Then what if we hold one of the wheel? If we hold left wheel, it will make left gear stop rotating. It cause pinion gear rotate. Pinion gear rotation will faster the rotation of right wheel. So, this mechanism show by holding one of the wheel, it will not hold another wheel. In fact, it will make another wheel run faster than the hold wheel. This is the mechanism of how differential can differentiate rotation the wheel automatically. Now we back to 3D modeled differential. Inside of this case, there are many components. First, we have two axle. Left axle and right axle. Each axle connected to left and right wheel. Then each axle connected with side gear. Then this two side gear connected with pinion gears. This mechanism, similar to principle we discussed before. So it can differentiate the rotation between left and right wheel. Then we have differential housing. This housing is separated with the axles. So, the rotation is separated. Then we add pinion gear shaft to connect housing with the pinion gears. So that, axle housing will rotate the pinion gear. This action will rotate axles with same speed with the housing. But when vehicle turn left, left wheel held by shorter track. So, it makes the rotation is lower than the housing. It makes pinion gears rotate. Pinion gear rotation will faster the rotation of right axle. So, the right wheel rotation faster than the housing. It makes both wheel support turning motion without any slip. Then to engage rotation from transmission, there are final gear set. It includes ring gear that link to differential housing, and drive gear that link to propeller shaft. So, the rotation path moves from propeller shaft to final gear. Final gear will rotate differential housing. And differential housing will rotate differential gear set. That's how differential work. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.